All right, here's another cool thing that the Conversion Pros does. Let's say you were looking to market something like on Clickbank. A lot of people try to sell through Clickbank. Let me just go over there. So when you get on Clickbank, they sell all kinds of products. So you click on the affiliate marketplace, find something that you want to sell. I don't know, let me just type in Facebook. See what comes up. Okay, let's say I want to sell master Facebook in 7 days, whatever. All right, I can click on promote this. It's asked me for my Clickbank ID. And then it gives me a link. And look how ugly and long this link is. And it's like, hey, go promote this right here. That looks like a good idea. No, it's ugly and it's long. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into Conversion Pros. I'm going to come over here to the teeny URL system. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to hit add. And this actually tracks my hits as well. So I put that nasty, ugly thing in there. I hit save. And it gives me this little URL. So I can go out here and market that. And if I click here, and I'm going to paste it in the address bar, you can't see what I'm doing, but it will automatically take me right to that Facebook page. And check this out, because I just opened that up on my browser and click on logs, and it tells me that it was open from Chrome. So it actually tracks it too. So that's just another thing you get inside the Conversion Pros. You can take ugly long links, make them short, and track it. And the cool thing right now, ClickBank links do not work on Facebook, but these aren't these are still working for now anyway. So Facebook isn't coming back and saying I can't post that link, which is really cool. All right, that's it.